Hi, you can go ahead and call. Are you ready? 210-872-2015, please. Go ahead and ask for a lone person. I don't know. This is my first time.
Hello, thank you for calling Lone Star Bank. How may I help you?
Hello. I want to talk to a person about opening a bank account, please.
Sure. Hold, please.
Okay. Do you listen to music at all? No? None? Okay.
Yes, hello, this is Sylvia. How can I help you?
Hello, Sylvia. My name is Cindy, and I'm just curious about opening a bank account at your bank. So I want to know more. For instance, am I able to just show up to your bank and bring my ID and, like a driver's license or a social security card? What else do I need to bring? That's what I want to know.
Oh, okay, yes. We would love to help you open up a bank account. You would need to show up here at the bank, bring a driver's license, your social security card, and proof of where you live. Maybe a light bill would work. That's usually what we tend to ask our customers to bring in. We do have an account, a checking account, and it requires $100 to open up that checking account. With that checking account, you will also have a debit card so that you can charge your purchases on your debit card. We also have a savings account, and the savings account requires $300 to open up, and it's a conditional account, which means it depends on how much you have in your checking account to let you borrow money from your savings account. So that's a conditional account. Do you know how much, do you have limited earnings? How much income do you have?
So you mean you need to know how much I earn? Well, I do have about $1,050 per month that I earn from my fixed income, so sometimes it depends, but it doesn't matter, right, how I get my money. I just want to open a bank account.
Sure. I was not questioning where you get your money from. I just wanted to help you pick the best account for you. We have some checking accounts that have a great interest rate. We have some wonderful auto loans. We have stocks that can be purchased here. We have a great bank system set up. So now, what about your debt? Do you have any charge of cards or other, bills that you want to pay off? Could we help you with that?
I do have a high interest rate on my car loan and my car payment. I think about 20%. So if we could refinance my car, that would be amazing. That would be very perfect. Because I did see an advertisement on television about lowering your interest rate. So I thought that sounded amazing since mine is 20%. So I feel like I'm just paying so much per month. For instance, my payment is around $650, but around $150 of that all goes to interest. So I really don't like that because that's a lot, and I would prefer to just pay it off a lot sooner, and the $150 doesn't help that. So that sounds wonderful. I've heard a lot of great things about that.
Now, with our checking accounts, we also have for insufficient funds, and if your account does fall into the red, negative, then we do also have a way to help you get money from your savings and transfer it over into your checking. Okay? So, when can I expect you to be here?
So, okay, if I just happen to go negative because money's really tight, you can actually transfer money from my savings account to my checking account?
Correct. It is a wonderful program. If you can come in today at 3:30, that would be great.
Okay, I think so.
Great,
yeah.
Great.
Alright, I will see you around 3:30, okay?
Today. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.